Hi everyone, welcome to PMmentor, where we help aspiring project managers and SAP professionals build successful careers. I'm Peter, your host, and today we're kicking off an exciting series focused on interview preparation for SAP Project Manager roles. In each episode, we'll dive into key questions, in-depth answers, and strategies to help you land your dream job. Today, we have a fantastic candidate joining us, Chank, who's applied for an SAP Project Manager position. We'll explore the kinds of questions you're likely to face and how to answer them effectively. Whether you're looking to polish your own interview skills or just want a sense of what to expect in an SAP project management interview, you're in the right place. So, without further ado, let's bring in Chank. Welcome to the channel, Chank. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Peter. I'm really excited to be here. I've been following PMmentor for a while now, and it's been incredibly helpful in my career preparation. As you mentioned, I'm applying for an SAP Project Manager role, and I'm looking forward to sharing my insights and learning more about the interview process. To introduce myself a bit more, I have over 7 years of experience in project management, with a focus on SAP implementations. I've led multiple end-to-end SAP projects, working with cross-functional teams to deliver solutions that align with business goals. I'm passionate about leveraging SAP technology to drive efficiency and value, and I'm here to discuss how my experience and skills fit the role.
Great introduction, Chank, and thank you for sharing a bit about your background. I think our viewers are going to find your insights really valuable. Today, I'll be asking you questions that are commonly encountered in SAP Project Manager interviews. We'll go through each question, and you'll have the chance to answer as you would in a real interview. Throughout the session, I'll also offer tips on how to frame responses and highlight the skills recruiters are looking for. Can you explain what Rise with SAP is and how it supports organizations in their cloud transformation?
Absolutely. Rise with SAP is a comprehensive package designed to simplify and accelerate an organization's journey to the cloud. It's often referred to as Business Transformation as a Service. What this means is that RISE bundles SAP S/4HANA with business process intelligence tools, technical migration support, and flexible cloud infrastructure options. The key advantage of RISE with SAP is that it consolidates everything under a single contract, including cloud infrastructure, software, and support, which simplifies vendor management. It also provides organizations with choices between private and public cloud options, making it flexible and adaptable to different business needs. This holistic approach helps companies modernize their ERP systems more efficiently and at their own pace.
Could you tell me the difference between SAP's private cloud and public cloud, and when a business might choose one over the other?
Sure. SAP's public cloud is a multi-tenant environment, which means several customers share the same infrastructure but have isolated data. It's highly cost-effective and ideal for companies that want rapid deployment with standardized processes. Updates and maintenance are handled automatically by SAP, making it a great option for companies that can work within SAP's best practices without extensive customizations. On the other hand, the private cloud is a single-tenant environment dedicated to one customer, which allows for more control and customization. It's a better choice for businesses with complex requirements, specific regulatory needs, or those needing unique configurations. Although it's more expensive, the private cloud offers greater flexibility and control over updates. The choice really depends on the company's budget, process complexity, and need for customization.
What are the main advantages of a greenfield approach in SAP S/4HANA implementations?
The greenfield approach is essentially a fresh start. It allows an organization to implement SAP S/4HANA from scratch without carrying over legacy system data or customizations. This approach is ideal for companies looking to re-engineer their business processes and adopt SAP's best practices. By starting clean, companies can simplify their workflows, eliminate outdated customizations, and fully leverage SAP's latest innovations. Although greenfield can be costly and time-intensive, it's worth it for organizations seeking a completely optimized and future-ready system. It's the best choice when the existing ERP system no longer supports the business effectively, or if the processes need a complete overhaul.
Could you walk me through what a brownfield approach entails?
Certainly. A brownfield approach is a system conversion where the existing SAP ECC environment is upgraded to SAP S/4HANA, maintaining historical data and customizations. This approach is ideal for organizations that want to preserve existing configurations and minimize disruption. It's generally more cost-effective and faster than greenfield because it reuses the current system structure. Brownfield also allows for a phased approach, which can help with change management. However, the challenge is ensuring compatibility with SAP S/4HANA, which may require code adjustments and thorough testing. Companies often choose brownfield when they want to leverage their current investment and transition to S/4HANA with minimal business disruption.
Maya, how does the Rise with SAP methodology ensure that organizations maintain a clean core in SAP S/4HANA?
The concept of a clean core means keeping customizations to a minimum, which is essential for ensuring that the SAP S/4HANA system remains adaptable for future updates and innovations. RISE with SAP encourages a clean core by providing business process intelligence tools that help organizations standardize their processes around SAP's best practices. RISE also includes tools for reevaluating and streamlining workflows, allowing companies to minimize custom code and adopt standard SAP features wherever possible. By keeping the core clean, businesses can reduce the complexity of future upgrades, lower long-term costs, and ensure that they can easily integrate SAP's latest functionalities. It's a best practice that RISE actively supports to help companies stay agile.
Why might an organization prefer SAP S/4HANA on private cloud rather than public cloud, especially under Rise with SAP?
Organizations might prefer the private cloud if they need a high level of customization, control, or compliance due to industry-specific regulations. The private cloud, especially under RISE with SAP, allows for extensive customizations, specific security configurations, and control over update schedules, which isn't possible in the public cloud. This makes it ideal for industries like finance or healthcare, where data security and compliance are top priorities. Private cloud also supports complex integrations, which can be critical for organizations with specialized needs. Although it has a higher cost, the private cloud offers more flexibility and can align more closely with unique business requirements.
Can you explain the role of SAP Readiness Check in a brownfield approach?
Of course. SAP Readiness Check is a tool that helps assess an existing SAP ECC system's compatibility with SAP S/4HANA. It provides a detailed analysis of custom code, data volume, and configurations, identifying areas that need adjustment for the transition. In a brownfield approach, Readiness Check is invaluable because it highlights potential issues early in the process, allowing teams to plan accordingly. It also helps identify simplification items and required changes, reducing the risk of disruptions during migration. By providing a roadmap of what needs to be done, Readiness Check ensures a smoother, more predictable brownfield migration.
What are some key considerations when choosing between greenfield and brownfield approaches?
Choosing between greenfield and brownfield depends on several factors, like the organization's readiness for change, the current ERP system's complexity, and the desired outcome. Greenfield is best if the company wants to redesign processes and start fresh, especially if legacy systems are heavily customized or inefficient. Brownfield, on the other hand, is ideal for preserving current configurations and minimizing disruption. It's a faster approach and can be more budget-friendly since it leverages the existing system. Ultimately, companies weigh the need for process transformation against the desire to maintain continuity and minimize costs.
How does Rise with SAP simplify vendor management during a cloud transformation?
Rise with SAP simplifies vendor management by bundling all necessary components, cloud infrastructure, SAP S/4HANA software, and support into a single contract. This eliminates the need for separate agreements with different vendors and reduces the complexity of managing multiple relationships. Having a single point of accountability also ensures faster issue resolution and more cohesive service delivery. RISE with SAP streamlines the transformation process, allowing organizations to focus on business transformation instead of coordinating between various providers.
What advantages does the public cloud offer for companies using SAP S/4HANA?
The public cloud provides a cost-effective, multi-tenant environment where companies can access SAP S/4HANA with lower upfront costs. It's ideal for businesses with standardized processes because it offers rapid deployment and automatic updates managed by SAP. The public cloud allows businesses to scale resources based on their needs, and with fewer customizations, it's easier to maintain and upgrade. Public cloud works well for organizations that prioritize speed, flexibility, and cost efficiency over extensive customizations. It's a powerful option for companies aiming for a quick, streamlined cloud solution with SAP.
Can you describe how Business Process Intelligence, BPI, is integrated into Rise with SAP and its importance?
Absolutely. Business Process Intelligence, BPI, in RISE with SAP, is a set of tools that analyze and optimize business processes. BPI assesses the current workflows, helping companies identify inefficiencies and areas for improvement. It provides insights into how processes perform and aligns them with industry best practices. With BPI, companies can see where automation and streamlining can enhance productivity. It's vital because it sets a foundation for the SAP S/4HANA implementation, ensuring processes are optimized for a smooth transition to the cloud. This results in a more efficient, cost-effective ERP system.
What are the main steps in the RISE with SAP methodology for implementing SAP S/4HANA? The RISE with SAP methodology includes several key phases: discover, plan, explore, build, deploy, and optimize. In the discover phase, companies evaluate their current processes and identify transformation goals. The plan phase involves defining project scope and resource requirements. Explore focuses on designing the solution to meet business needs, while build is where configurations and customizations happen. Deploy involves migrating data and going live. Finally, optimize ensures continuous improvement post-implementation. This structured approach helps businesses implement SAP S/4HANA efficiently, with minimal disruption. Well, that brings us to the end of our interview session. Thank you, Chank, for sharing your insights, experiences, and thoughtful answers today. I think our viewers have gained a lot of valuable information on how to approach an SAP Project Manager interview. It's been a great discussion, and I appreciate the depth you brought to each question.
Thank you, Peter. No, thank you. I don't have any question for now.
Thank you, Chank. And with that, I'd like to say that HR will be reaching out to you with the next steps. Keep an eye on your inbox, and thank you once again for a wonderful session. I look forward to seeing where this journey takes you.